Track 1. Listen to the following report on longevity. Based on the report, answer questions 1 to 8. Why do some people live longer than others? Does it come down to nature or nurture? About 1 person in 10,000 will go on to live past 100. But there's no one single factor that determines longevity. Instead, the length of one's life is influenced by a complex mix of genetic and environmental factors. For starters, obvious advice for anyone wanting to live a long life is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity like walking or swimming and healthy eating habits not only contribute to longevity, but also the quality of life. Conversely, smoking and drinking have a negative effect. So, if you want to improve your odds of seeing your 100th birthday, stay active by doing something you enjoy and eat healthy. Being surrounded by friends and family is more important to living a long life than you might think. In fact, people with little in the way of social support run just as much risk of mortality as those who suffer from obesity or do not exercise. Keeping connected with family and friends is one way to increase your chances of living past 100. It is often said that women live longer than men. Sure enough, on average, women live 5 to 6 years longer. It is not known precisely why this is so, although many reasons have been suggested. Perhaps it is because women are less likely to get involved in high-risk activities. Maybe women have healthier habits or are better at maintaining social connections. Whatever the case may be, gender certainly plays a part in longevity. There's no denying the role genes have in determining how long people live. Certain gene variants offer protection from age-related health problems, such as cardiovascular disease or dementia. Exceptional longevity runs in some families, so if your parents or grandparents have exceptional longevity, there's a good chance you will too. Another popular theory about longevity involves telomeres. Telomeres are the caps on the end of chromosomes which protect them from damage, much like the tips of our shoelaces. Each time a cell divides, the telomeres get shorter. Eventually, they become too short and the cell can no longer divide. This process has been associated with aging. Eating healthily, avoiding too much stress, and not smoking are ways to help preserve the length of telomeres. Finally, keeping up a positive attitude may make you live longer. A study from the University of Queensland has shown that elderly people who focused on positives were more likely to have a stronger immune system. Although it has been suggested that a little bit of stress is a good thing for a longer life, chronic stress has been linked to a lower life expectancy. While there is not much we can do about the genetic factors, there are certainly some things we can take control of if we wish to enjoy a long and healthy life. Avoid smoking and drinking. Eat healthily and exercise. Keep your family and friends close. And last but not least, stay positive. You are now given 1 minute to answer questions 1 to 8. You will listen to the recording again. Check your answers.